Pop-Tarts, yum.
Hey guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make slime with 2 ingredients. I will show you. Detergent, Arm & Hammer, glue, Elmer's white glue. Okay, now here's what you need. Arm & Hammer, white glue, a mixing bowl, and a spoon. Let's get started. Okay. Boy. Okay, here we go. Sorry, I'm a word person. In case you guys haven't noticed. Oh yeah, by the way, please subscribe to this awesome person. And I think either tomorrow or in a couple of my days, I'm gonna be dyeing my hair with Kool-Aid. But I actually dyed my hair with real hair dye. It's like a reddish color. Can't really see it. Yeah. Okay, so there's the glue. Can you see it? Okay, there's the glue. I'm gonna pour it in the cup first. Put a little bit at a time. The Tide to me, I don't know. Just to me, it doesn't really work. This one I believe works the best. Cause look, can you see it forming? Watch. Wow, it's forming already. Tide takes like 5 hours. 5 hours later. Anyways, let's just keep adding this detergent to this beautiful slime. Ew, what the freaking doodles? Okay. Butternut squash. Hey, you got a fat astronaut. If you guys watch Liza, I love Liza. She's awesome. Freaking, you don't even know. She's so awesome. She's my favorite person on Musical.ly and Vine. No offense, baby Ariel. I like you too, but you know, Liza's a dude. Anyways, here we go. Pretty forming together. I add little by little because sometimes I don't want to add too much and it'll be ugly. And there is like a kneading process to where it's really kind of sticky-ish, but trust me, it gets out of that stage unless you just keep adding this and this. It's a lot of mixing. Just pour the rest in. Whatever happens, happens. See, it's already forming up. You can see it. It's beautiful. Can you see that? Yeah. Okay. Look at this. See that, people? You see that? It's beautiful. Touch it. Get the. Okay. Okay. Ew, that's gross. Get off! Okay. Put that over there. Okay. Here's the process of getting it kneaded. 1 second. Okay, here's the kneading process. It's so freaking beautiful. Here we go. You just add a little bit of that on your hands, rub it in like it's lotion, only to your hands, and then you keep rubbing. You keep kneading it. Sorry, you guys probably don't want to hear me, so. So, please subscribe to me once again. I'm your girl. 1 second, and look at that wrist. Sorry guys for the inconvenience. Here it is. It's in my freaking hand. It's very playful. If I can get it off. Sorry, my recorder guy just left me. Little boy! Mwah. Ugh, I almost touched it with my freaking mouth. Hold on, people. I'm having some technical difficulties. Slimy. But now that you guys know that it works, it's freaking beautiful slime. I freaking love it. So wonderful to play with. It's 2 ingredients. If anything, you can make it 3 ingredients just with a little bit of lotion at a time, like poquito. So, yeah. There's your slime. I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, hey guys, I'm back. I put it in my freaking flarp thing. It's right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right there. Bye! Bumped on skin!